This 2014 Nissan NVSV is offered exclusively by Connell Nissan. The NVSV will provide you with everything you have always wanted in a car: quality, reliability, and character. There are many vehicles on the market, but if you are looking for a vehicle that will perform as good as it looks, then this NVSV is the one. At Connell Nissan, we strive to provide you with the quality and excellence in a vehicle that you truly deserve, and with the Glacier White on Charcoal color combination, this NVSV surpasses expectations. This Nissan includes L92, all-season floor mats, PIO, floor mats, SO1, side front side airbag, front head airbag, charcoal, cloth seat trim, vinyl seats, cloth seats, B92, splash guards, set OF4, PIO, not available, FO2, sliding glass door package, Glacier White, FO1, back door glass package, privacy glass, rear defrost. Note: for third-party subscriptions or services, please contact the dealer for more information. Connell Nissan rents starting $19.99 per day. Ask for details. All prices are NET of factory rebates. Leases are excluded from rebates. California residents only.